Now this is where the I love New York, I Amsterdam sign are located, and where you can get a great selfie with it if you're able to be fastened to school kids. Along the way to the next attraction, there used to be a very popular selfie site. In fact, it's one of the most iconic photo spots. The letter was placed here for more than 14 years and is estimated 6,000 selfies taken every single day. So I would have recommended you drop by, but the dumb council member of the city of Amsterdam decided to remove it. Their excuse quotes, the message of I Amsterdam is that we are all individuals in a city. We want to show something different, diversity, tolerance, and solidarity. So I don't buy it. I think they are just jealous that they aren't as handsome as me when it comes to selfies. But the good news, they are moved to the Amsterdam airport Skipples, so you can take your selfies there. Right across the side is a world-famous Van Gogh Museum, but I didn't have time to check it out. However, there is a nice souvenir shop without the lineups. There is also lots of gifts with his artwork, so it's a nice alternative. Check it out. Now, if you're wondering where you can grab a bite and fuel up on a cheap, fully cooked place, or simply want to find some souvenir bargains, I got a perfect place for you. Although its booth and stalls doesn't sell snacks, it does sell everything else from fruits, vegetables, cheese, fish, and spices to clothing, cosmetic, and bedding. The price are among the cheapest in Amsterdam. Now, if you want to get a real feel of Amsterdam, this is it. This is the Albert Cuyp Market. It's the largest street market here in Netherlands with over 300 stalls. And you can absolutely find everything. And this is where I think you'll find the bargain that you're looking for. The name and the market are named after Albert Cuyp, a painter from the 17th century. The market began as an ad hoc collection of street traders and pushcarts. In 1905, the city government decided to set up a market. At first, only held on Saturday evenings. In 1912, the market became a daytime market open 6 days a week until today. And don't be surprised, you go nuts like me in this marketplace. Just look at this.